Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Painted Skies kit. This kit captures the beauty of a coastal day with gorgeous sun-soaked landscapes. It includes 9 cards, 3 of each with a layered trifold design. With this kit, you can choose from all occasion printed sentiments in English, French, German, and Dutch that pair perfectly with the theme. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. These cards are a great way to share some sunshine. If you liked crafting with a kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products, and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!